Today I'm making a paper plane, and in Philippines it's currently night time. Okay, so I will be teaching you today how to make this plane. Sorry if I'm on face cam, but I'ma teach you. So first, get a piece of paper to make this plane. Of course, you need to fold it in half. After folding it in half, you open it like this. Fold, open, fold, open, fold, open. Put this corner right here to the crease over here. Do the same thing with the other side, and then it will look like this. Then you fold this corner over here to the crease, so that it will look like this when you do it the same. Do it on the other side as well. After doing that, you fold this part over here, this part over here. Then, after doing it, it should look like this. Then, after doing that, you fold it in half. And then you're almost done. Just wait, don't worry. You flatten this all. It will look like this. It's not really a plane yet, but you fold this part over here. Yeah, this part, you see this over here. Do it the same thing at the other side. And there you have it. The plane that glides. That's all for today, guys. Thank you and have a nice day.